Hey there, folks! CNC Machinist here, back from the gym and ready to dive into today's topic. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to CNC Machining Mastery, my YouTube channel where we explore the world of CNC machining. Now, let me share a profound experience with you. Within just 2 weeks of stepping into what seemed like the opportunity of a lifetime, I managed to scrap $15,000 worth of CNC machine parts. As a result, the company I worked for lost a customer valued at $100,000 annually. Alright, let's talk about the importance of quality in CNC machining and manufacturing. Quality is the foundation upon which we build everything. Without it, we essentially have nothing. So, before we dive into the details, please subscribe, comment your thoughts below, hit the like button, and spread the word. Also, check out CNC Machining Mastery for free CAD, CAM, and CNC tutorials. Now, back to the topic. Machining involves a lot of common sense, especially for beginners. You can't know everything right from the start, given the numerous variables in manufacturing and CNC machining. If someone suggests a better way or points out an error, don't just persist, ask questions and learn from the experience. I've been in this trade for over 2 decades, and I've learned valuable lessons, some of which I wouldn't want to repeat. One significant lesson I learned early on changed my life forever, and it's crucial to share it with you. Let's step into my shop. Quality is paramount for any machining shop. If we don't uphold quality, we essentially have nothing. Prices and other factors may fluctuate, but quality must remain constant. Speaking of quality, I have a compelling story to share that taught me a crucial lesson. Picture this: I was 26, new to manufacturing, and had just landed an incredible opportunity. The first task was a copper job involving chamfering holes. Long story short, I finished 2,000 parts in a matter of hours, proud of my speed and efficiency. Little did I know, 80% of those parts were way beyond the specified tolerance, leading to a significant loss for the company. The lesson was clear: without proper inspection techniques and documentation, mistakes can be costly. As an owner today, I emphasize the importance of thorough training, documentation, and inspection processes to avoid repeating such errors. At CNC Machining Mastery, we not only teach CAD, CAM, and CNC machining, but also stress the importance of understanding blueprints. Proper documentation, inspection sheets, and setup checklists are crucial to ensure a thorough understanding of the manufacturing process. So, the key takeaway is to equip your team with the right information, training, and documentation. Quality is the foundation upon which successful companies are built. Make sure your team understands every aspect of the process, inspects parts meticulously, and contributes to the success of your company. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Until next time, keep machining with precision and quality.